In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Notion. This is really useful if your task list or goals database is starting to feel cluttered with things you've already finished, and you just want to focus on what still needs your attention. We're going to do this using Notion's built-in filter feature, so there's no need for any templates or complicated formulas. First, open the Notion page where you're tracking your tasks or goals. In this example, I'm using a goals tracker database, but this works exactly the same for any table, board, list, or gallery view that has a status or checkbox property. Make sure you're looking at the database view where you want to hide completed items. At the top right of your database, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a panel with a bunch of view options. Here you'll see things like Properties, Sort, Group, and importantly for us, Filter. Now click on Filter. If you don't already have any filters set up, Notion might prompt you to add one. If a filter already exists, you'll see it listed there. We're going to add or adjust a filter so that only incomplete tasks are shown. Next, choose the property that represents whether a task is done or not. In many setups, this will be a property called Status, which might have values like Not Started, In Progress, and Done. In other setups, it might simply be a checkbox property that you tick when something is complete. In the drop-down, click on that status or checkbox property. Once you've selected the property, you'll see options for how to filter it. Click on the condition drop-down. For a status property, change the condition to Is Not. Then, in the value field, choose the option that represents completed tasks, such as Done. What you're telling Notion is, show me all items where the status is not done. If you're using a checkbox instead of a status, you would set the filter so that the checkbox is unchecked. That way, as soon as you mark a task as complete, it no longer appears in this view. After you've set that condition, your database will automatically refresh, and all completed tasks will disappear from this view. Don't worry, they're not deleted. They're just hidden based on the filter, and you can always remove or change the filter later if you want to see everything again. That's all you need to keep your Notion task list focused on what really matters, the work you still have to do.